That's how clean they should be.
Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways.
Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are at and get you right out of the way. Alright, let's get right at it. We're going to clean these seat belts up. They are absolutely filthy, dirty. The part that touches the body is the dirtiest part of it. Up here at the top, not so bad. But down at the bottom, very, very dirty. You'll see that here in a minute. We're going to soak it in pure super clean, undiluted. You just pack the seat belt into it. Now, it doesn't matter if you have black seat belts, tan seat belts, red. I will guarantee you, if the car is more than 2 years old, they are filthy, disease-carrying, nasty little straps. So what I'm doing is I'm dipping into the super clean and wiping the top of the belt so that they get a little bit of the super clean on them and they can sit, and then I'll wipe them down with a white towel. You see what I'm doing, and make sure that you wear a glove because the super clean is pretty rough on the skin. But I'm just going to let it set again 1 hour. Pack them down in there good. You don't have to do a whole lot of sloshing around with them. I'm pulling them out now. It's been an hour. We'll get rid of the super clean. You'll see when you pull it out of there just how dirty the super clean is. But you can take the super clean and pour it back into your jug and use it over and over and over and over again. So what I did is I made a special tool. You're going to love this. It's a 3/4 inch piece of Schedule 40 old pipe. And I slit it with a hacksaw blade. And I can clamp on it with one hand and pull the belt through. Watch and see what happens. Look at this. That is nasty. Not good. And you'll need to do it a couple of times if your belts are really filthy. So I'll do it again here, and even more of it comes out. That's what I'm talking about. This will be the best way to clean your belts. You'll not find any other way to clean them, and you'll again have to do it a couple of times. Now what I'm going to do is wipe the entire belt down from where I put a little super clean on it near the top. Wipe it down, it'll come up dirty. And I'll do that a couple of times until I get them spotless clean. That's all you got to do, my friends. Look at that. How beautiful that is.